Hi friends, simple multiplications. Here 100 into 100, just we are taking just non-zero numbers, multiplying the non-zero numbers. Here non-zero numbers is here 1, here 1. So multiplying first these both, 1 into 1 is 1. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. Here also 2 zeros. Totally 4 zeros are there. So take that 4 zeros. So this is the answer. Next 2 2s are 4. Next here 4 zeros. So this is the answer. Next 3 3s are 9. 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Totally 4 zeros. This is the answer. 4 4s are 16. Here 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros. Next 5 5s are 25. Here 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Next 6 6 are 36. Here 2 zeros. Here 2 zeros. Totally 4 zeros. Next 7 7s are 49. Here 2 zeros. Here also 2 zeros. 8 8s are 64. Here 2 zeros and also